President. How to play. The object of this 4 to 7 player card game is to be the first player to get rid of all the cards in your hand. Setup. Shuffle a standard 52 card deck of playing cards, and every player picks a random card from the deck. 2 is highest, followed by ace, then king, then queen, all the way down to 3. The player with the lowest card is the first dealer. If there is a tie, pick again. The dealer shuffles, then deals all the cards out to the players one at a time. Some players may have more cards than others. The player to the dealer's left goes first. On your turn, lead any single card or set of cards face up on the table. A set of cards is more than one card of the same rank. After you play, then the next player clockwise either plays or passes. You must always match the quantity of cards played, and the rank of the cards must be greater than the previously played cards. When sets are played, you must follow with another set. You may choose to pass on one turn, then play on another. The play continues until everyone passes consecutively, bringing the play back to the person who played the last card. For example, player 1 leads with a pair of 4s. Player 2 passes. Player 3 passes. Player 4 plays a pair of 6s, then player 5 a pair of 9s. Player 1 plays a pair of jacks. Players 2, 3, and 4 pass, and player 5 plays 2 kings. Player 1 and 2 pass, but player 3, who has not played yet, decides to play 2 aces. Players 4, 5, 1, and 2 all pass. Player 3 then takes the trick. After the trick is taken, the cards on the table are flipped face down and pushed to the side. The player who took the trick leads the next play. This process repeats until everyone plays all their cards, skipping players who don't have any more cards in their hand. Then the seating order changes for the next hand based on the order in which players went out. The first player, who played all their cards, is the president and picks the most comfortable seat. The second player is the vice president and sits to the left of the president. The third player is the Speaker of the House, and so on down to the last player, who is the beggar, who sits to the right of the president. If keeping score, the players get points depending on their position. 2 points for the president, 1 point for the vice president, and 0 for everyone else. The beggar is responsible for shuffling, dealing, and clearing away the cards when necessary. When the deal for the next hand is complete, the beggar must give their highest card to the president. Then the president gives any card of their choice back in return. The president then leads the next play. This process repeats until one player reaches a predetermined point total, usually 11, then they are the winner. Thanks for watching. If you like this, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. Check out playingcarddecks.com for an awesome variety of playing cards. Be sure to use my promo code TSG for 10% off your entire order.